Hey guys, I'm your online tutor Hasnan Khan from YouTube. Today I will tell you about the introduction of Python, what is Python language and how this is interesting language. This is very easy and the syntax is very easy to learn for beginner and as who is interest for learning Python. So let's start. First of all, we start that who developed Python language. The developer of Python language is Guido van Rossum. First of all, he implemented Python language 1989. So it's some feature of Python programming is Python is very simple programming language. So often, if you are new to programming, you can learn Python without facing any issue. Its syntax is very easy, very powerful language, and some feature of Python programming language is it can be readable, it's open source, its library is very large, memory management, cross-platform, easy to learn. So first of all, we discuss about every content of that, so easy to learn. And learning Python is very easy as this passive and high level programming language, which means it is very understand the language and thus easy to learn. Cross-platform. Python is available and can run on various operating systems such as Mac, Windows, Linux, Unix. This makes it a cross-platform and portable language. Open source. Python is an open source programming language. Its standard libraries. Python comes with a large standard libraries that has some handy codes and functions which we can use while coding. So its advanced feature is support generator and list comprehensions. We will cover this feature later. So next is what we can do with Python. We can do with Python machine learning, web development, data analysis, desktop application, scripting and game development. So web development, web framework like Django and Flask and based on Python. They help you write server-side code which help you manage database and background programming, logic mapping, URL. Machine learning include there are many machine learning applications written in Python. Machine learning is a way to write a logic so that a machine can learn and solve a particular problem on its own. Data analysis include its data value visualizations in the form of charts and also be developed using Python. Scripting is writing small program to automate simple tasks such as sending automate response emails. Such type of applications can also be written in Python programming language. We can also use for game development Python. It is very wide language and easily used in game development. So we can use for desktop application, for good application and for good interface we can use Python desktop application. So syntax of Python is very easy. For example, if you want to print a word hello, the hello, this is a Python script. So how we can write in Python language? First of all, we write print function, small brackets, two small brackets, quotation marks, and we write a script in it. Hello, this is Python script. So the output will be hello, this is Python script. So thanks for watching.